Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to lock your profile on the Netflix app. So let's get started. Open the Netflix app on your smart device and make sure you're signed in to your account. By opening the Netflix application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says My Netflix and then click on it. Then on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 lines that you will click. Clicking on the 3 lines will open a small window where you will have several options on offer. We need the Manage Profiles option, and then click on it. Then select the profile you want to sort and click on it. The application will open the next page where you will find the Profile Lock option in the drop-down menu and click on it. On the next page, scroll down to the Create Profile Lock option and click on it. In this field, enter the password of your profile with which you are logged in and then click Enter. The next page will ask you for a short code of 4 letters or a number, which you will enter, and then click Save. Now your profile is locked. Whenever someone tries to access it, they will have to enter the PIN you created. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you can lock down your Netflix profile and ensure that only authorized users can access it. It's perfect for maintaining privacy or setting boundaries with children. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.